Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make a coordination point without list. Normally it's called in AutoCAD Ordinate. You see this XY point and it will be northeast point. So we are using this XY point for the coordination as a north and east. Normally all the people use list program to make that point. Here I will not use list, but I am going to teach you how to make like that with dynamic blocks. So let's draw one circle. Actually I need diameter only 1 mm. So it's very small, 1 mm, because when you are seeing this one it's look like big, but in your drawing if you see 1 mm point is very small. Let's make this one block B, enter. So I will make C point and pick point, center of this. Okay, so I will go inside the block editor. Let me off the grid point, it's irritating. So this is the circle what we have here. So here what I am going to do, I am going to put attribute text. So click this one. So let's make this one north. Tag name, and here in the default you select this one on this insert field. Select this, and here if you go down there is a option called object. So this object, okay, so here you will go to the select object, click this one and select this circle. So once you select, this will be activated. So here I need the center, okay, not other thing. I don't need other thing. The center, current unit, decimal, architecture, engineer, fractional. So I need decimal. It's a format, so I will choose X and I will press OK and then OK. So this is the text will come here. Let's put it here. Then again go, we say east. Maybe I'm little doing north is upside down. You correct it when you're doing. Object, select, again select. So this time I will choose center, decimal again, but only Y. I don't need X. So okay, okay. So we will place it here. So what's the next? Next we will go this point. Click this point, center, and yeah, we don't need here this one. Actually we need one box to make differentiate this one. Let's move little down. Okay. So let's draw a leader LE from center, and we'll make like this. So I hope this is enough. Okay, and now close the block editor, save. So you will not see any point here. So what you will do, you will insert, I enter. So here in the block the C point you will select and you will click wherever you want. So this is the north and east point. Okay, so this one no need anymore. So here this is north point, east point. Let's modify this one. Right click, block editor. So let's move this one little here. Move. Let's make some text. Okay. So I will type here north. Always I do this mistake. Okay, let's make north here. And let's put east here. East. Okay, let's make one box. Let's move little bit inside. Enter. Okay, REC. Connect, and we will put one line here. So now we will use this point. Why this point we need? To move our data where we want. So double click, move. So we will move only up to here. Enter. Okay. You can make this more smaller if you want. Okay, close block editor, save. Okay, there is a problem. So double click again, block editor. Actually, no problem. Save. It will come. If you refresh or I didn't do anything, just open and reclose. So click this one, you can move from here. See wherever you want to, you can move. Okay, it's moving entire point, so it's a mistake. So let's go block editor. I delete this one again. Point. Double click. Move. Enter. Close block editor. Did I am choosing the wrong again? Yes, it's not move. I think I have to select stretch. I am sorry again. I will delete this one. Point. Double click. Let's do stretch. Click this one. Oh. Double click. Stretch. Yes. Okay. Enter. Close editor. Save. I think now it will work. Yes, it's working. So you don't have to choose move, you have to choose stretch. And then we will go to again double click this one. So click right click, block editor. So let's put flip. So let's check from the center. Yeah, one flip like this. Close block editor. If you want other you also you can use it. Yes, So let's point, this is 15 to 166. So let's go to the another point. You copy, you can copy your Control Shift C from center. Let's move this point little up, this point, move little up. Okay, disturbing. Cross block editor, save. So you can make Control Shift C, click, and Control V wherever you want. So it's changing automatically. 22, 26. So normally northeast point not come like this. This just number will be more. So if you have one drawing, and you can use that one, and you can check this one, and also you need this much. You can make an this rectangle also you can control if you want to go to the block editor. This one, this liner. So here, double click, also stretch this point and select like this, enter, close block editor, save. So you can control this one. It will not work because it's not inside the flip command. Block editor, I will go again. So this is the flip. So action, new selection set, select all together one time, enter. So close block editor, save. Okay, this guy gone wild. Inside, I think again you have to go. Okay, now you can play this one. So you can continue, copy, paste, whatever you want. Regarding color, go to the block editor, you choose sorry, everything by block, home, make it by block. So what will happen, save changes. So you can change the color as you want here, any color you want. Then you copy, or you Control Shift C, copy and paste anywhere you want, and then it will show that particular point, coordination point, and you can change to another color. See, you have two different colors. The leader didn't change the color, go again, block editor, select the leader. So here by block, but go to the properties, Control 1. So here in the leader, this color already by block, but there is another guy, dim line color also by block already. Okay, close look editor, save changes. I don't understand why it's not changing. Maybe because of dynamic block. Otherwise you can draw something like this, not using leader, you can draw manually like a leader and make by block, and the color will change this arrow also. So no need any more list program to do this. Once you do this one and save in your collection file, whenever you want, just copy and paste, it will give you the northeast